famoso.
Alright, dear students, today we are going to talk about a grammatical subject, a new grammatical subject that you may have studied like last year or in a different year, but this time we're going to in more detail. We're going to explain it in more detail. And this grammatical tense is present continuous. Okay, has any of you heard of present continuous, or do you know anything about present continuous? Does anyone knows? Yes, Nima? Yeah, present continuous. Do you know what's present continuous? When we use present continuous, what's the rule? How we turn it into negative or anything like that? Anything you may know. You may not know everything or you may not remember everything, which is fine. But what do you know about that tense? Does anyone? Yes, Raz?
Teacher, can I say what it means in Kurdish? Like, can I explain it?
Yeah, as you might.
So present continuous is actually used for like something that's happening right now. Like
Yeah.
you have past continuous and present continuous. Present,
Yeah.
but present continuous is used for right now, not for before and
Very good. So, the first thing that we need to know about present continuous is that when we use this tense, because we have many grammatical tense, right? So we have to know for each of them, there's a state, there's a situation that you can use that tense. And for present continuous, it's actually used when the thing or the action is happening right now. Let's say, I am teaching. You are listening. I am standing. I'm raising my hand. I'm smiling. I'm getting angry. Or like each of these things that I'm doing right now, okay? So in these situations that the action is happening right now, at this moment, we can use present continuous. Is it clear until now?
yes.
I mean, crystal clear? Okay, so can you like give me a sentence? Let's say something you are doing right now. Think about a sentence. Think about something you're doing right now. Yes, Aya? I'm reading a book. So if Aya is reading a book, at that moment, let's say this is a book. I'm reading a book, okay? Or I'm writing. I'm listening. Yes, Aya?
I'm listening to my teacher.
I am listening to my teacher. Well done. Such a smart girl. Very good. So, that's the case. When you are doing that action at that moment, that's when you can use present continuous. Easy, right? I mean, the whole tense is kind of easy. Then we have to know the rule. Each tense, each grammatical tense has a rule. For you to understand the grammatical tense more and be able to use that, you have to memorize these rules, okay? Honestly, I don't like memorization that much, and you know that. But for these tenses, it's better if you memorize them. وقتها باشترك memorize it. Fine? Clear. So the rule is, we have the subject here. We have the subject. The meaning of subject in Kurdish is, yes, Ramil? وقتها بكر. Yes. So, subject means bukir. It can be very good. What you said is true actually. You said Juno because it can be a pronoun or it can be a noun. Let's say pronoun or a noun. We can use each of them at this place in a sentence. What do we mean by that? We can say she is teaching. She is a pronoun, right? And the pronoun here is the subject. Or we can say Sarah is teaching. We can use the name, right? We can say Pavan is teaching if he becomes a teacher in the future. Okay? It can be a noun or a pronoun. Wata lashwini, subject, akhwani. We can use the pronoun and the noun. Clear?
Yes.
Then we have to know what comes after the subject. Then my subject chiye. We have verb to be here, and the verb to be we use is are, but you can't just randomly use them, right? I can't say she are eating. Like, what's that? She are eating. It doesn't make sense. You have to know with each pronoun or with each noun you use different kind of verb to be that's suitable for that place. Let's say, if I say she, which one should I use with she? Yes, Mohammed? She is, very good. Can I say she
No.
Like if you hear someone say she are or she does it make sense? No, it doesn't make sense. You just know it's wrong. There's something wrong with what that person is saying. Or with they. Which verb to be we use with they? Yes, Daddy? They are, very good, excellent. We use are. That one is pretty easy. I think all of you just know that. Then, after the verb to be, we have the main verb of the sentence. It's called the main verb. We have a verb plus ing. The verb should have ing in it, and that's how you know and you recognize it that, oh, we have an is, let's say, then we have a verb that has ing. So right now I know this tense is present continuous. You can just recognize it so easily. Which I'm going to be talking about how you add ing after this. Then after the ing comes complement. Who knows what's complement? What's complement? Can you have an idea about, even though I think you all know that. Yes, who wants to participate? Yes? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, and can you explain it to me in English? What's complement? What can we use in complements? Yeah. Yes, I am.
She's teaching for students.
Yeah,
After the verb.
Yeah, literally anything that comes after the verb ing is a complement. It can be another pronoun, it can be a noun, it can be an adjective, an adverb, a preposition. Anything that comes after the verb is a complement. In Kurdish we say tawakal rasta. It can be anything. Okay? Then that's the rule, okay? We are going to explain these examples. She is teaching, as I said. If she is teaching right now, then we can say she is teaching. But if she was teaching you yesterday, you say, oh, the teacher taught us present continuous. Like tomorrow when you come back to school, you can't say she is teaching us present continuous, right? Not one blame sababati, present continuous يبقى عليه. And using this tense, you just can't do that. She is teaching. Why we can't use are with she? Can someone explain that? Why we can't say she are teaching? It's kind of funny, right? Yeah?
We have a she.
Yeah, we have she. And she is a singular pronoun. Very good. Then another example is they are playing together. They are playing together. It means they are playing together right now. Okay? I'm swimming. I'm swimming right now, let's say. Okay. You got this?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
I mean, really clear?
Yes.
Very good. As we know the positive rule, we recognize the tense and we know when to use this tense. Now we have to know how to turn this sentence into negative or into question. Does anyone knows how we turn this sentence into negative? Yes, Gabby? She isn't teaching. Very good. So, simply saying, when you add a not here, it's here actually. She isn't teaching, it becomes negative. As easy as that. It's just one step. Remember that. It's just one step. We only add not after the verb. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then how we turn it to question, it's two steps actually. That one is one step, that one is two steps. Yes, Paria?
Is she teaching?
Very good. Is she teaching? Let's say anything. Then we add question mark. So the first step is we bring this one to the beginning of the sentence. That's the first step, right? The next step or the second step is we have to add question mark at the end of that sentence, right? If you say, let's say, she teaching? And there is no question mark. If there is no question mark, yeah, we know that it's a question, but like, it's just better and it's more grammatically correct if you use question mark as well. And as we said, for the negative one, we say, she isn't teaching. Okay. As I said, for the negative one, there is only one step. Only add not to be, verb to be. Then, for the question sentence, it's just two steps. Bring down verb to be to the beginning of the sentence. Then, add a question mark at the end. Easy, right? I mean, so easy. Great. Then we have these two other sentences. I want you to tell me. First, let's say, what's the negative of the sentence? Then we have the question. Can someone come here and write down the negative of that sentence? Someone new. I like new students. Yes, can you? Let's change the marker. I don't like using it so much. Yeah, you can write it down. How we turn this sentence, which is a positive sentence, or we can say affirmative sentence, into negative. Into negative. We said it's only one step. Yeah. And that one step is, okay, let's write down the subject in the beginning. Very good, excellent. Great. They aren't playing. Yes, great. Yes, correct. Nice. Nice. They aren't playing together. Let's say if we have 3 children. Thank you so much. Nice, very good. We have 3 children. They're playing together. We say, oh, they're playing together. But after that, when they fight and they kind of, make a noise and they just separate, we say they are not playing together. Then for the question 1, fattened. How we can turn it into question? We say, but capitalize the first letter. Capital. That A should be in capital, right? Great. Are they playing together? Very good. That's very nice. It's okay. Where's that? Yeah. You can use this one actually.
For the adult version.
Yes, don't forget. Don't forget. I've lost many marks because of that question mark. In high school, in university as well. Yeah, we all did that, I guess. That's why I'm telling you, please be careful. It's really important. Then we have this sentence, I'm swimming. First, we turn it into negative, then into question. Who wants to participate? Yes, Saya, come here. Yes, I'm swimming. Very nice. My students are so smart. I mean, it's because they're teachers, right? It's good. Very nice. I am not swimming. Good. And then how to turn it into question. This one is tricky. A bit tricky, huh? There is something in it. I don't know if you know or not. Daddy? Yeah? How you change this sentence into okay.
No.
Swimming. Wait. We said that's okay. We're gonna correct. We said for the question we have two steps, right? The first one is we change the verb to be in the beginning, right? Okay, let's erase this one. You know, if we don't make mistake, you can never learn. Okay? We have this. Right? You bring this one to the beginning. Write down this one. You see this one? Yeah. I said this one is tricky. Wait for the questions. We have time for questions. Okay. Then we write I. Yeah. Then we write swimming. Very good. Question mark. As easy as that. Great. Am I swimming? But sometimes you have to change this I to you. Because, you know, when I say I'm swimming, it's right. I can ask myself, oh, am I swimming? Let's say you're in the middle of the ocean and you're about to drown. You ask yourself, oh, am I swimming? I'm not swimming. Like suddenly you realize you don't know how to swim. But I can ask you, are you swimming? Then you can answer me by yes, I do, or no, I don't. So this one is correct. Grammatically speaking, this one is so correct. Or we can say, are you swimming? You see? Then we have question mark. These are both correct, but use this one. It's not, let's say, more grammatically correct. Yeah, but this one is more usable actually. Okay. You got this?
Yes.
It's clear now, okay? And now let's know how we answer these questions. The first one, when it says, is she teaching? We have two answers, right? I can say yes or no, right?
Yes.
Of course, these questions, we can answer them like this. Yes, then we write this pronoun. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. Very good. Listen here. I can say, I cannot say, yes, she does here, right? It doesn't make sense. You have to know which verb to be is used. You have to use the same verb to be. Wata. You can't say, yes, she does. It's grammatically incorrect. Then this one, are they playing together? Who can tell me the answer for this one? We have yes or no. Who did not participate?
Onko se asia niin kuin minun näin tässä
Yeah, that's fine. That's good. Great. Yes. Okay. Yes, they are. Very good. Very nice. Excellent. Yes. No, they are. Very good. And then this Y. Write it down. Yeah. Good. One. That's okay. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Sometimes we just forget easy things, right? Great. We say, yes, they are. No, they aren't. Very good. Then we have, are you swimming? Shia, come here. I don't want any student to be scared and to be like, oh, I'm not sure if I know that, so I'm not going to raise my hand. I'm just going to stand like this. No. Participate. If you make mistake, it's fine. Like I'm asking you, are you swimming?
Yes, you are.
You can answer it in a better way, okay? Listen, I'm asking you. Are you kidding? You answer me. Yes, I.
I am.
Yes, I.
Very good. Yes, I am. The first one. Yes, very nice. Yes, I am. Okay, then we say no. Okay, what else we say?
No,
I'm not. Okay. I am not. Yes. Also write the. And listen, it's okay if you make mistakes because that's the first time we study this one, right? Very good. Nice. But for tomorrow, I'm not accepting these mistakes. Careful. Okay, this one's clear.
Yes.
I mean, really clear. Great. Crystal. Very good. Then, it's actually easy, but we just have to know how to add ing to each verse, okay? You can't just randomly add the ing for the verse because each verse somehow has its own rules. For most of the verse, means zorbe verbakan, zorbe karikan, for most of the verb, you simply add ing and that's it. Like you don't change anything from that verb. Let's say play becomes playing. Say becomes saying. What else do we have? Like, we have many verbs actually. Yeah?
Listen, listening.
Listen becomes listening.
Read, reading.
Read becomes reading. Very good. Yeah.
Listen, listening.
Nice.
Do, doing.
Doing. Very good. But if there is an e at the end of that verb, we just remove the e. Okay? You see it here? We have removed that e. Do you see that e? No. We have just removed that e. And if there is an I and there is an E, we change them to Y. Okay? We change these two letters to Y. Then, another rule that we have is we have a consonant at the end, but we have a vowel before the consonant, okay? What does vowel mean? Who knows? Nice. Yes? Yeah, in Kurdish. Very good. What are the vowel vowel letters? We have I, we have O, U. Very good. E. One more. Easiest one. I. Like we were like learning that letter, all the other letters. And we have these vowel sounds. We're gonna continue, that's fine. We have these sounds, we just gonna double this one, okay? As easy as that. That's all. So if you have any question, which one?
The play.
Play. We just gonna. Okay, the play is different. Okay, for a play you can't change this one. You just say I'm playing. This one is a different thing. But for the next class, we have something. We're going to watch a video about present continuous, and we have like a worksheet. And we have on the worksheet, and you have to tell me. It's like a simple exam, okay? But not like a huge one. It's like a simple exam. I'm going to give you some examples on the data show. You have to tell me the answer of each question. Easy peasy. Too easy, come on. Yeah, any question?
No.
Clear?
Yes.
Very good. Now you can write it down if you have forgot something. That's all. Nice.
تعالوا جرسوا